Welcome to Tasty Malayali. Let's dive into a bold and flavorful dish. Inji Puli chicken packed with spicy, tangy, and juicy notes that excite your taste buds. This recipe blends rich aromas, vibrant spices, and traditional Kerala-style cooking into a truly irresistible and satisfying culinary experience. Take for drumsticks and for thigh pieces of fresh, juicy chicken ready to marinate. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, the aromatic base of flavor. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon pepper for a sharp, spicy punch. Add salt to taste. 1 teaspoon chopped fresh curry leaves. Squeeze half a lemon to bring a zesty freshness. Marinate the chicken thoroughly, coating every piece with these rich spices. Let it rest for 30 minutes so the flavors soak deep inside. Heat a pan and add 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let that tropical aroma rise. Fry the marinated chicken on both sides until it turns golden brown, keeping it cooked tender and juicy with rich flavor locked inside. Once done, take the chicken out and keep aside. In the same flavorful pan, add 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds and let them splutter. Add 1/2 teaspoon fenugreek for a slight, bitter depth. Add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Add to chopped green chilies for heat. Mix it well, letting the onion soften. Add to dried red chilies chopped. Add 2 teaspoons chopped curry leaves. The fragrance will be irresistible. Fry until onions turn beautifully golden brown. Then it's time for the masala magic. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon coriander powder for a warm, nutty flavor. Salt well until the raw aroma fades away and the spices release a deep, rich fragrance, enhancing the overall flavor beautifully. Now add 50 ml tamarind in water for tangy and bold flavor. Mix it thoroughly. Add another 50 ml water to balance the flavors. Mix again to form a rich gravy. Add salt to taste. Add 1/2 piece of jaggery for a subtle sweetness. Let the jaggery melt and transform the masala into a dark, thick, glossy sauce. Meanwhile, fry 50 grams of chopped ginger until it turns crispy and golden. Then crush into a coarse powder, adding a bold, aromatic kick that elevates the entire dish beautifully. Once the masala turns dark and thick, add the crushed roasted ginger. Add 1/4 teaspoon of savory to powder for a deep, savory aroma. Blend all ingredients gently until perfectly combined and richly coated. Now add the fried chicken into this rich, spicy, tangy masala. Mix thoroughly so each chicken piece is evenly coated in the rich, bold gravy, soaking up all the deep, delicious flavors perfectly. The rich, glossy Inji Puli chicken now stands complete, coated in bold, tangy, and spicy flavors, ready to be served hot and enjoyed as a truly irresistible, flavor-packed dish. Finish with a delicate sprinkle of white sesame seeds, adding a gentle nutty crunch and a touch of elegance. And there you have it, irresistible Inji Puli chicken is ready. A perfect balance of spice, tang, and sweetness in every bite. Authentic Kerala flavors on Tasty Malayali. Join us for more spicy, tasty recipes.